things I gotta get done before I put in the rest of the stove and the sink permanently is the polyurethane. As you can tell, there's already a nice little sheen to this stuff and it looks pretty good, but it's gonna use a second coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep that and go ahead and sand it and get it ready to go. And then I'll also do the table too, which hasn't seen any polyurethane yet, just to kind of protect the stuff a little bit more so it lasts a little bit longer. But that's what's going on next. I'll try to set you up somewhere you can see. Okay, so you can see these have their last coat on them. They won't dry this glossy, obviously, kind of like last time. They'll kind of have that satin look to them, with the light will reflect off of them, but not this shiny. It's all looking pretty good. I even did this table here too, like we talked about. So the kitchen table has a little bit of sheen to it, and also a little bit of waterproofing, because if you're eating on it, working on it, whatever, you don't want to spill on there and have it soak up. Or maybe you do. I don't know. But the other thing that I got into is the ladder, which you guys watched me paint a couple episodes ago. But to explain again, there's two eye hooks in the wall, there and there. And then on the bottom here we have just some lag bolts, and those go into holes on the ground down there. They keep it from sliding backwards and forwards. And then it's got two eye hooks that's bungeed to up there, which are super sturdy. And then I added a foam pad on the back, so when this bounces, if it does, it doesn't damage the ceiling at all. So it's looking good to go. I have to find a little checklist of small things to do and see if I can knock some more of those out.